Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make car buying simple. We'll talk about setting a budget, finding the right car, and understanding financing so you can feel confident when you walk into a dealership or shop online. Let's get started. The first step is deciding how much you can afford. Think about the total amount you can spend, not just the monthly payment. Remember, a cheaper monthly payment might mean a longer loan period, which can cost more over time. Figure out what amount will fit comfortably into your monthly budget. Don't forget to include insurance, gas, maintenance, and registration fees. If you can, try to put some money down. This helps lower your monthly payment and reduces the total interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. Keep some money aside for unexpected repairs so you're not stuck with a big bill down the road. Once you know your budget, decide if you want a new or used car. Both choices have pros and cons. New car, pros, comes with the latest features, likely has a warranty, and is less likely to break down early. Cons, more expensive upfront, higher insurance costs, and it loses value quickly in the first few years. This is called depreciation. Used car, pros, cheaper to buy, slower depreciation, and often lower insurance costs. Cons, may have more wear and tear, could be out of warranty, and might need more maintenance. Think about your priorities. Do you want the newest technology, or is saving money more important? Now let's talk about financing. If you aren't paying cash, you'll either take out a car loan or lease the car. Car loan, how it works. You borrow money from a bank, credit union, or dealership and pay it back with interest over a set period, usually 3 to 7 years. Interest rate. A lower interest rate means you pay less in the long run. Your rate depends on your credit score, the car's price, and the length of the loan. Ownership. Once the loan is fully paid, the car is yours. Leasing. How it works. You pay to use the car for a set time, often 2 to 3 years. After the lease ends, you give the car back or have the option to buy it. Pros. Lower monthly payments compared to financing a brand new car. Always drive a newer model. Cons. Mileage limits, fees for excess wear, and you don't own the car unless you buy it at lease end. Tips. Shop around. Check different lenders. Compare rates from banks, credit unions, and online services to find the best deal. Negotiate. Don't just focus on the monthly payment. Look at the total cost, including interest. Negotiation might feel scary, but a few tips can help. Research the car's value. Look at websites like Kelley Blue Book or other local listings to see what similar cars cost. Start low, go up slowly. If you're buying used, mention any issues with the car, like worn tires or minor scratches, to justify a lower price. Stay polite. Being friendly but firm can go a long way. Be ready to walk away. Sometimes the best leverage is showing you're willing to leave if the deal isn't right. A car's price isn't the only cost. Keep these in mind. Sales tax and registration fees. Depending on where you live, these can add up. Insurance. Get a few quotes. Rates can vary a lot between companies. A used car usually costs less to insure than a brand new model. Maintenance and repairs. Plan for regular oil changes, tire rotations, or unexpected fixes. Fuel costs. Gas or electric charging costs can vary. Think about how much you drive and the car's fuel efficiency. Having a full picture of your costs will help you avoid financial surprises. Before you sign anything, do these final checks. Test drive. Make sure you're comfortable with the car's handling, brakes, and visibility. Listen for any strange sounds. Vehicle history report, if used. Check for accidents, flood damage, or odometer rollbacks. Websites like Carfax or AutoCheck can help. Inspection. If you're buying a used car, consider a professional inspection. A mechanic can spot hidden issues that might save you money later. Read the paperwork. Double-check the loan terms, total price, and warranty details before you sign. Even with a good plan, mistakes happen. Watch out for these, not checking your credit score. First, a lower score can lead to higher interest rates. Skipping the test drive. Never buy a car without driving it, focusing only on monthly payments. You might pay more over time if the loan is very long. Not comparing lenders. Different banks or credit unions may offer better rates. Impulsive buying. Take your time. Don't feel pressured to buy on the spot if you're unsure. That's our simple guide to car buying and financing. Remember to set a budget, compare options, and negotiate to get the best deal you can. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tips on money, budgeting, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.